Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Get up close, we get up on my shoes with this, we walk up on. Come blue drink, you straight on home. Bounce down, how about the car go to chase this homie? Yeah, he hit me, put us boom. Got bullets, go kept on going. Right back, bitch ass dash, stop that trolling. Roll up, I wish we was smooth. Hit a nigga T.O.P., we don't.
Alright, y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for real. We got my boy TJ Stay One motherfucking K back in the building. He just got his car back. Motherfucker got a cam, motherfucker got E, a new tune, it got headers. That's all it really need for real. And then we got the most sexy slim body Scat Pack charger on the planet. Make sure y'all boys drop a like on this video. Make sure y'all subscribe too. So I'll catch y'all boys in the car.
I've been on perks and drinks. Sometimes I feel like I'm tripping. All trying to take me to the pain, but you never catch me slipping. I ain't tweaking these personal pranks. I quit to give all but whipping. Do you feel me? Not for money, these personal killings. Big bad wolf, I blow down the kitchen. Please just stay out my business.
I need to strap my damn food down. I don't play with my food now. Turn, nigga, turn. Gotta make sure this damn phone don't fly off. Do none of that police shit right there. Hell no. This nigga TJ shit so loud, bro. The space that this highway be offering, you feel me? But it's just like, it's South Carolina, so 12 be on dick over here. Can't do too much, you feel me? But we can still have a nice little cruise. Motherfucker screaming, boy. Motherfucker talking. Dumbass not paying attention about Mr. fucking exit. Ah, shit. That's completely on me. My dumbass was not paying attention. My fault. That motherfucker sound like thunder striking, boy. Over this time. Motherfucker sounds so fucking sexy, bruh. You truly can't get enough of this shit. Yeah. My fault for that first exit, nigga. For real? I thought you was finna cut that bitch. Hell nah. Nigga, that shit sound good as hell, bruh. That shit sound good as hell. It's louder too, I promise you. That motherfucker parking. This nigga wildin'. We had the wrong spot for him to be doing that. Then the sun bright as shit, bro. Oh shit, 12 down there too. Bruh, cops just be on dick, bruh. South Carolina, man. Gotta stay away from here, boy. Motherfucker wanna tie that brake. Motherfucker can't, bro, go up, thank you. Now that Escalade moving, what the fuck? I def cut that nigga off. I know y'all hear that gunshot, boy. Alright, bro. I don't know why so much traffic right now. Oh, it is Friday. I'm thinking it's Saturday. I'm stupid. I'm thinking it's Saturday at 6:45 p.m. Hell nah, it's Friday. Alright, bro, niggas can move out the fucking way. Like, come on now. Let me know if y'all heard that new Rack Baby album. That shit damn near 9 out of 10 for me, I ain't gonna lie. Rack Baby really don't got no misses for real. That boy TJ shit screaming. Yeah, my nigga Rack Baby don't miss for real, I ain't gonna lie. Crazy, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I've definitely seen a deer over here somewhere before, so my eyes is on 10. You feel me? I love that little gunshot shit. I ain't need underground tool yet. And my shit already shooting gunshots, nigga. Imagine what it's gonna be doing on that motherfucking tune. Crazy, boy. I should slide this motherfucking parking lot, but I ain't got time to go to jail, you feel me? I ain't got time to go to jail. But shit, I appreciate y'all boys for checking this video out for sure. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all boys watch all my other videos so I can get a Hellcat, you feel me? A nigga really got monetized in 8 videos, bro. It took my 8th video to get monetized. Like that shit is a blessing, and I'm not taking that shit for granted. I promise y'all. You know what I'm saying? I may take a couple little breaks on YouTube, whatever, but I promise you I'm not taking this shit for granted. I will make this shit my career. You feel me? Like I will. I already know that's gonna happen. That's written in my book already. You feel me? God willing, of course. But shit, I'll catch y'all boys in the next video.
Can't keep my dick up in my pants, I get too lit tonight. I might just fuck a bad bitch, I might go fuck on tour. Called your bro to pull up, we gon' park on tour. Remember 8th grade, I sneak big in my locker too.